So, the pinnacle of luxury seven-seaters, the Land Rover Discovery 5. This is a landmark edition on a 2020 70 registration, done just 8,000 miles. Now, this car is a one-owner car with a full stealth pack and an opening panoramic sunroof, a big option on the car for anyone looking for one. It's also got a detachable towbar with electrics, but it's the way this car's styled that'll sell it. Fixed side steps, 20-inch wheels, all the black styling with the black badges, the HSE dynamic grille as well, which I love on this car, full gloss black grille, the bigger body kit, the lovely bumpers with the inserts. These are all finished in gloss black as well. Now, the Discovery 5 is a great 7-seat car because it's a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine producing 300 or just over 300 brake horsepower. Obviously 4-wheel drive, but with the luxury and the premium features you get on a Land Rover. Now, with this one, it's like new from every angle, inside and out. There's not a mark on the vehicle. Like I say, a car done 8,000 miles, it's what you'd expect, but then this car's styled beautifully. Gloss black wheels, 20-inch, unmarked. The lovely Discovery inserts into the wings. Fixed side steps from factory, another great feature. Then you've got keyless entry, keyless start. The biggest option for me on this car when you're looking for one is that opening sunroof. That has been added by the former keeper when buying this car from new. Then you can see we've got privacy glass, beautiful Land Rover Discovery badging to the back, all in gloss black, and then that lovely boot finisher. Sometimes that is in a different colour. It's all black on this car. Detachable tow bar with electrics, as I've said, and then all the things you're going to need from a luxury 7-seat vehicle. You've got, obviously, 7 seats. You've got air suspension, so you can raise and lower the vehicle from these little switches at the back of the car here. And then the seats fold flat with a pull of a lever. They just fold flat. You can have 5 seats, 6 seats, 7 seats, whichever you desire. And then you can also have a large boot space, which works superbly well. You've also got all the height in the back of the vehicle. It's a genuine 7-seat car, so if you have got rear passengers, they can enjoy travelling in style in something like this. Front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, full leather interior, but like I said, like new, inside and out. That beautiful fitted Land Rover floor mat as well. Goes right across the back of the car, but you can see when I jump in the back of this car here, all the space you get when you sat in the back, loads of leg room, loads of headroom, and you've also got a sunroof in the back for your rear passengers, if you can see that, Tom, if you jump in the car. Keyless entry, like I've said, also keyless start. Into the front, the leather, the steering wheel, everything's like new. Electric seat, Meridian sound system, the ceramic controls on the steering wheel as it's a new generation Discovery 5. Lane departure warning, cruise control, everything you're going to want. Then you get the drive height. So these cars are unbelievable to drive because they are quick, but they also feel very safe, and you've got a lovely driving position. The electric seat. This car's done 8,945 miles. What I love about these, it's got the new generation steering wheel. The steering wheel feels new. Lane departure warning and cruise control. All your Bluetooth functions and things on the steering wheel too. Starting the car up, it is keyless start. But then we've got the touchscreen interface in this car. So you've got navigation, you've got media interface, you've got self-park system, popping the car into reverse. You've got that beautiful crystal clear reversing camera. And then if we go back to the main screen, you've got Apple and Android CarPlay, which is beautiful when you're using a car like this with your mobile phone. And you've got in-control apps, so you can connect the car to your phone and use a variety of lovely features from your phone, like unlocking the car, heating up the car. They're all available from the in-control apps with Land Rover, which is lovely. Digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, which is always a bonus. And you've got air suspension, so there's switches here to lower and raise the car very easily. And you've got your 4-wheel drive selections, very easy to use at the turn of a button there. Lovely, lovely Discovery 5 with a lovely option of the opening sunroof. Perfect for summer, perfect for your family. Even if you're using it for business purposes or you're a single person wanting a great looking Land Rover, this could be the one. Live priced at £52,490. It's going live now. Land Rover warranty until 2023, Land Rover breakdown assistance till the same time. It's a stunning as new example. My name's Richard, thanks for watching.